Hi everyone, welcome to my new video. In this video, I will show you my recently earned swags from Microsoft Learn Challenge, which was organized by Hammad Hassan. As you can see, here is written his name and his university. I earned swag from this challenge or event. So let's unbox it. So I remove the seal from box and let's open it and check what's inside the box. Here is some letter. Oh, it's a letter from MLSA Lahore from Hammad Hassan, and the challenge was .NET Explorer. You can see right here, and I won t-shirt from this challenge. So here is my t-shirt. Let's unbox it as well. MLSA Lahore, thank you so much for sending me this amazing swag, amazing t-shirt. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you MLSA, thank you Hammad Hassan for providing me this opportunity of learning and sending me this t-shirt.